James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of a new gaming mouse from Gamdias. This is their Zeus P2 RGB gaming mouse. It does have eight programmable buttons. It's a double level RGB, so you have two levels to change lighting. They have a Hera software. They claim that you have to run it. Now, I know if you're like me, you're hoping that some of these companies will start working together and you won't have to have all these different clients to run their lights. Unfortunately, they don't have. So down here it says textured design, so the side has a rubber textured feel. 8 smart keys, so 8 programmable keys. We'll check that out in a few. Ergonomical design and adjustable DPI. So you can go from anywhere from all the way up to, I think, 16,000 DPI presets. We'll get more into that. On the side specifications, pretty much just what I said, you know, tracking method, dimensions, weight, stuff like that. On the back, you know, pretty much everything I just said, but in several languages. Let's take a nice knife out and let's cut the box open. Set that out. As you can see, nice red table. My wife's Christmas globes. She's decorated for Christmas. Let's pop the box open if we can. So, I can see that when we pull this out, that the box, although it does have a plastic front shield, for some reason, I don't know why, because it literally, it falls apart. The box is nothing. There's no instruction manual. There is just this mouse. They have their little Triforce logo, or whatever you want to call it. I'm sure that lights up like a little lightning bolt up here. You have 1 button, 2 button, 3 button, click and scroll, and 2 side buttons. Right here is the rubber ergonomical textured feel. Same on the other side. You know, I can actually palm this pretty good. My only problem is it does feel rather light. On the back, you got the rubber bottom footprint here. Rubber footprint. Then there, you know, the serial number or the UPC number. Gamdias Zeus P2. You have a braided cord with a USB plug. The cord is probably going to be about, I would say, 6 feet long. I'm not going to pull it out. It does have a Velcro zip tie with their logo on it. Not too bad, not too shabby. Now, I kind of wish that there was a book, because it doesn't tell you, there's no instruction manual in this. So I'm going to actually have to go on their website and find their software for this. That might be a problem, but like I said, this is a $50 mouse, so I mean, right now it's $50 on Amazon. For $50, I would expect a manual, probably, you know. Gamdias, step your game up. No. If it might be a mistake, your box might actually have one. I'm not really sure why they put the plastic over this like they did with the box without a back on it. You know, you slide it out, it's going to fall right out. It's not like it has a windowed front, so it's kind of seamless to do. Maybe it's just a packaging thing. But the scroll button feels okay. I mean, I can click it, it moves. You can hear that, right and left mouse click. DPI sounds good. There's another little button under it. It's not marked. It's just a weird position for a button. I mean, to move your finger back that far when you have, most people use claw, it's going to be a little bit of a problem to, like, go, you know, if you're trying to use it as a hotkey in the game, that probably is going to be a problem. Slide smooth. I like a heavy mouse, but, you know, we'll get more into that. This is pretty much the unboxing of the Gamdias Zeus P2 RGB, and thank you for checking out, and keep your eyes out for the software install. I will find the software and how to do it. I will do a full video on that, of course. I will also do a full written review on DragonBlogger.com to come, but I wanted to get the unboxing out for you, and thank you for checking that out, and keep your eyes out for more on DragonBlogger.com to come.